Hello, this is Nate Herring. I'm at InfoComm 2019. I'm with Hubbell Premise Wiring, and the other new product I'm showing you in our booth this year is our new Hubbell SystemOne 10-inch fire-rated poke-through. This is a large poke-through that is designed to accept a multitude of AV components. We have a lot of different faceplates and subplates that we can put in there to accommodate a lot of different AV applications, including XLR, Extron modules, HD-Base-T, a lot of other things like that. This is a cutaway, so you can get an idea of how much room you have to play with underneath and beneath the subplate. It has integrated cable exit doors in here, so when I close it up, it's closed, ready for scrub down, wash down, but then if I need to have cables exit, I just fold those to the inside, and now my cables can exit through the brushes that you see here. For more information on this, please visit Hubbell-wiring.com.